What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're actually gonna install the third brake light right there. We're gonna install that brake light. It's gonna be a full install video, and then at the end I'm gonna put a link at the bottom of the description where I got all this stuff. So sit back and enjoy. Is I have the car on ramps because safety first. We have to get underneath to get the clip out of that. Also, you're gonna need your trunk open, so make sure you pop your trunk. You can see this is what I got. It's the F1 style third brake light. So it comes with a bracket, some wires, and I also bought the quick and easy plug and play kit. It's a 3-wire. I do believe if you get the 4-wire, it comes with the reverse light. I'm not 100% sure, but yeah, this should look good. I do believe this is the version 2. The version 1 has the outside ring just turning on, but I could be wrong. We'll see. So we're underneath the car, and there's a clip right here, and I might want to take this one and this one out as well, just so I can get full access to here. I don't know if you could see. Try to get you in there, but right there it is. If I could focus. There you go. So that's where the third brake light is gonna go. So get those clips off and have better access to it. All right, guys, so got it out. There's these back clips. This is the top. Literally all you do is push down. So you gotta do push down and push out. It comes right out. Now let me show you what that looks like. I definitely recommend getting all 4 screws or tabs out. It definitely makes it so much easier to get in there. So yeah, let's install. Alright, guys, now we're inside the trunk. So here's where your latch. Sorry, it's a little weird. There's 3 clips. One there, one there, and then another one right here. So we're gonna take those 3 clips out, pop this whole piece out, and then I'll show you what else. Whoops, sorry. I'll show you what else happens. Okay, so I'm gonna do an extra step. Forgot to film it. But there's 3 clips. Right here. One up here. And there's another one over here. You don't really have to, actually. But so what that's gonna do is we're gonna be able to pull this back. We're gonna have access to our tail light there, and that's where all the plug and play stuff comes on. So also I have a 2020 STI. The videos that I see these holes right here show that this one is supposed to be just a button like this, just a plug. This one came from over here, right there. I don't know what's wired to that, honestly. No idea. So from the videos that I saw, I'm gonna try going into the one down here, getting the wires through there. I'm gonna cut a little hole or a little X there to try to wire it through. And hopefully it's long enough to reach over there. So yeah, we are gonna see. And let's back it off, because that's the best way to slide it in. Slide it in from the front. Already started wiring. It's all colors go right to each other. Is what it is. I don't know why there's a switch there, but we'll find out. And yeah, so these 3 things come with the kit. So this is how it's gonna hang on. How the brake light is gonna hang on to the back bumper. So I'm gonna go ahead and install that back on from the back, and I'll show you where these go. Also, these bolts, same thing with this one right here, is a 10 mil. So I know that's gonna be a hard thing to find for some of us, but luckily I have one. So we'll see. Alright, guys, lighting's gonna be a little crap because it started to rain, so I had to move the car into half of the car into the garage. So here's basically what's going on. So this bracket that I showed you earlier, this one right here, sorry, this one, you have to take it off first and then push the light in. As you can see, you have to push the light in there, and then you install the bracket. And make sure these tabs right here from the bracket on the bottom side. Now the little push pin plastic piece is gonna go right up there, right here, sorry, there you go, this one right here, and then you screw your regular screws that were already in there, and then finally that's where the other one's gonna go. Now already taking the liberty of routing the wires up. Let's see if we can kind of see them. Well, they go up into that hole right there. So now it's just the wiring part. Alright guys, so I went ahead and already plugged the wires. It's pretty self-explanatory. Yellow, yellow, red, red, and black, black. If you do buy that plug and play kit, these plugs don't really come attached to each wire, so you have to squeeze them and attach them. And so from here, go to your harness right here for your taillights. Literally just unplug this. You take your plug and play kit. Sorry about all this. Alright, sorry, I'm trying to do this with one hand. So this goes okay like that. Plug it into the plug and play kit, if I could do it. Is for that F1 style. So, I don't know if you could see that. Let's see if it'll focus. There, this is, they both stay on actually. But anyway, this switch is the F1, what makes the flashing lights on the tail light of the third brake light. So now I'm just gonna button all this up, and I'll pull forward and, you know, show you a daylight video of what the lights look like, what the third brake light looks like, and then I'll head out later on tonight and get a night shot for that for you guys to see. So again, if you like this, these plug and play and these the third brake light, it's gonna be, the links are gonna be down in the description below. So if you like content like this, I know some of you, if you follow me, subscribe, I know I don't have many, but if you're wondering about my Genesis, it's still back there. So the drift car is still back there, but it's just, it's a stool as of right now, because you know, because of this whole COVID thing, everything's shut down, so the battery's actually dead. But so here's some shots, and again, link down in the description. Follow me on Instagram. I created a new page specifically for this vehicle, so again, that will also be in the description down below. Make sure you follow me, keep on updates, and I hope to see you in the next one. There's plenty more where this came from, so see you in the next one.